Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a heat map in Power BI. Now, the first thing that you need to do on your page, I want you to use a matrix visualization, okay? So just click on matrix, and here, let me drag this out, make this a little bit bigger. We will use for rows, let's use product, okay? You can just drag these here, for example, or you can just select. Now for columns, I will go ahead and do months. Okay, let's do month name. And for values, let's go ahead and use sales. Okay, so there we have this. Now, what we need to do is come here and click on format your visual. Click on this icon. First, click on layout and style presets. Style, just leave it to default, or you can leave it to none as well. Okay, I'll just leave it to default. That's okay. And then make sure you toggle these off, column subtotal and row subtotals, because we don't need these for a heat map. Now, come here and click on cell elements. Okay. Make sure you toggle on background color. Okay. And this will open up. And now we need to choose the format style. So change this to gradient, right? And what field should this be based on? Depending on your heat map, you can choose whatever it is. I'll just keep sales, and the summarization is count. And you can change the colors for a lowest value, which is a minimum, and highest value, which is the maximum. So you can pick from these if you would like. I'll just leave it as it is. You can also add a middle color, or just come here and click on OK. And as you can see, this is our heat map. Really that easy and simple.